Good morning, everyone. For Tuesday, we always look for what is it, like a skincare product. Today, I brought the new tinted lip balm, so I consider this still what is it, like, even though they are tinted, they are still part of the skincare. I would say many of Senagen's products you will see. I refer it in that way. Even CCTM, if you see. They all have, even though they are makeup products, they still have skincare benefits to it. So similar way, being winter, these are like a must haves, I would say, for anybody. So I was really excited because we already had one clear and two tinted. So now we have three more tinted ones. So it came as a collection, but there is you can always grab them individually. So we had three new colors for the tinted lip balms, and here I have the benefits I'm going to share with you guys on what are the cool things about these. And we had three different shades, which are nude beige, which is like a more brown, and we have honey coral, which is like a very a slight orangish tint to it, and then obviously fuchsia plum. Don't be afraid of the shades when you see it in the tube. Even lip sense or even the gloss will be really pigmented when you see it in the tube, but when you apply, they will really go very slight, and you always have the freedom to go even a few more layers if you want the color to show up. So let's see one by one, and also then we'll see the benefits of it. So the first one I'm going to do is the nude beige. So it's obviously going to be like a very what is it, like a brown tint to it. So it's not going to show up much for my skin tone and all. So if you're someone who doesn't like the lip balm to show up, then you can obviously pick this one. It is going to just give you like a pearly finish, but still not a lot of color to the lips. So this is nude beige on me. You can see it's almost similar to my lip color. You can see the consistency. It's nice and thick. Maybe I can swatch it here for you to see. I don't know whether it will show up even in my skin because it matches so much, but it gives the nice pearly finish to it. At the same time, it's highly moisturizing. It almost feels like a gloss. Previously, our formula used to be little matte finish, but here I could feel that it's almost what is it, like a very soft and like gliding smooth consistency now. If you're someone who has very chapped lips during winter, then these are like a blessing, I would say. The first benefit will be having the Stenaplex complex here, so that way it has more cellular turnover faster than regular. So you are going to have what is it, like a plumpier cells. That's when it's going to be really hydrated, and like how we talk about raisins to grapes. So and I think in last week's lip smooth I have talked about it. There is no sweat glands or here, and so moisturizing is only done by either hydrating well from inside, like drinking lot of water. At the same time, adding a product like this will really hydrate from outside. I really like the pout it comes with, so that it makes it easy to apply anytime. And you can always grab it in your handbags, and you can even apply it at night before going to bed. That way when you get up in the morning, they will be really nice and soft. Always make sure you, when you go to bed, you either, if you have glossy gloss, you can even do that, or if you have a clear lip balm or tinted lip balm, anything is fine, because they are not all day wear. They are going to be anyway smudged or absorbed. So that way it's okay even to apply at night. At night it has a lot of time for it to soaking, because you're not going to what to say, like drink water, or you are going to not eat or something. So that way they get time to settle in and get absorbed by the lips. So the next one we are going to try is the honey coral. So I think it's going to match my t-shirt for today. So the other important thing to consider with here is the tinted ones have a slight vanilla tint to it. So not the clear one, only the tinted one. So if you see, even for the coral, even though it looks what is it, like so pigmented here, this is just one coat. So don't be afraid that as if it shows here, this will add a very slight orangish tint, and it will not be too much. And they are made with, they are gluten free, paraben free, and animal byproduct free, so they make it vegan. So because if you see other products that has animal fillers in it, you are not going to get the benefits out of it. So that's why our product are really concentrated. At the same time, they really work, because everything is like high quality ingredients, and there is no fillers used to just what is it, like just to make the product look bigger. And this will really work for kids as well, because if you are have very small kids who likes to have a slight tint to their lips, then this makes easy, because they have vitamin E and shea butter and all. So that way they have the moisturizing benefits and having a very slight tint, and you don't have to have like lip sense or something which you have to remove. Here it is anyway absorbed, so for them also it makes a cute gift. So the last one is obviously fuchsia plum, which is I was really excited. I'm always kind of a plum and pink kind of a person. So this is the one I was really excited to try on. And each time I have removed it with the makeup remover wipe. That way you can see what color it is on me. So it's really beautiful. Obviously these kind of shades is my jam. Like I like to wear pinks and purples, so this looks a very stunning pinkish purple. It's not too much purple, I would say, even though the tube looks more of a lilac-y pink. Here it is more of pink on me. So let's go ahead and see the key ingredients of the lip balm. Here are the other two which we already had. We had blush pink, which is a very slight pink, and we had what is this one? This is barley berry, so which is like a kind of a red, and we always had the clear lip balm too. So now we have 6 choices from you to choose. We already saw about Senaflex complex, but it also has like quite a bit of ingredients which are again just to moisture. So there are different products have ingredients in here, which I will just go through in a rough to talk about it. First one is obviously the ones which we all know. Coconut oil we all have used for moisturizing. Then it has shea butter, it has vitamin A and E, it has olive oil, it has castor oil. So these are like, we always knew that they are going to have moisturizing benefits. Apart from that, it has cacao seed butter, which is help to it acts as a soothing barrier to the skin. So that's one thing. Next one is it has kernel butter from a mango like tree from Africa, which again helps to condition the skin. Then soybean oil to improve skin hydration and smoothness. And what else? Then I think we all know jojoba oil, which we always use for face too. So that is again to help prevent the moisture loss. And there is a kelp extract which hydrates and protect and soften the skin. And then what else? It has a yeast extract to help prevent the moisture retention, because that is one thing I talk about for the skin too. As we age, what happens is our pores become bigger and we start to perspire more. So that's when you start to see the wrinkles and or to say like thinning mostly. So you want your cells to be plumpier. If you have seen when as we age, our lips will become little thinner compared to our younger days. And it also has seaweed extract to prevent and decrease signs of aging by hydrating and toning the skin. And the last one is orchid flower extract, a native to South Pacific, which has antioxidant properties. That is one thing I was talking to my customers that time, like why Senegen's products will help when you have a breakout or anything is, most of them if you see, either they have antioxidant, they have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So by adding those, they become naturally like a treating agent when you have have a breakout or other things. Similar way that if you talk about lipsons or anything, they have those kind of things. That way when you keep touching and putting back, they prevent bacterial growth and also that's another thing which is makes it interesting when it comes to Senegen's products. Here is the new collection. So you have nude beige, honey coral and fuchsia plum, and these are the old ones, which is blush pink and barley berry. So you have 5 colors to choose from based on your preference. As I was saying, you don't be afraid when you see the color. It's going to be really light. You can control how much the color you wanted to show, and you can always pick our clear lip balm if you are not this kind. So it's all of them have the same benefits. We always call it as liquid gold. That's how much this product is really worth to buy. So have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.